So the next thing we want to do is set up the navigation mesh, and that will allow us to get a path between 2 points, and then we can take that set of points and assign them back to our path. So since I move this path up so that I can see the values a little bit better, I'm going to reset this to 0, 0, 0. And now let's go ahead and create a navigation region 3D. And what this will allow us to do is to bake a navigation mesh. I'm going to move it up here, put this level underneath it, and this level has all of the meshes that make up this level. Before we bake it, we need to add a new navigation mesh resource, and then go ahead and hit bake. And so this will create our nav mesh, as you can see. And the next thing that I want to do is create some goals. And so what I like to do usually is have a root node and then put something to visualize underneath that node. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create, and let's add a mesh instance 3D underneath that. And for that, I am going to add a sphere, and then I'm going to move this basically way over here. And this is one of the reasons why I like to put the visualization underneath the node, is I can actually raise that up a little bit so that you can see the full visualization of it, while the parent node is actually rested on the ground. And what I'm also going to do is add a surface material override with the color red on this one. And what we're going to do is call this goal 1. And then what I'm going to do is, well, let me move that over a little bit. And then I'm going to duplicate that, and now we have goal 2. But let's go ahead and hit make unique on this material, and then I'm going to change the color to green. And then let's move this goal over here. And then finally, duplicate that and move this way over here. And again, let's hit make unique and turn this one blue. And so next, what we're going to do is we're going to create a script where we will tell the line, this path, the points between the start point and, which is actually this little fellow right here. And then there are these goals, and so we'll basically have it so it will change the path depending on which key you press. So if you hit 1, it will draw your breadcrumb path to the first goal, number 2 to the second goal, and 3 to the third goal. I've actually already written a script in C#, but we are going to write it in GD script. So that is what we'll do next.